If you're enjoying the videos, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks. Good morning, everyone. Okay, so the only mods that I've decided to do on the tractor, apart from a canopy, of course we've got that, but we had to wait for my father-in-law to get here because it's pretty complicated to put on. So we'll put that on sometime this week. Is we got the step, because people aren't getting younger, you know, stepping in and out of this thing is pretty tough. And then the other thing, it's not a diss to Kubota or anything like that, because it's really nice that you get the option of a toolbox. So the toolbox sits there on the tractor and it's really flimsy, and you just have like your essentials in it, like pins and a couple of wrenches and stuff like that, stuff that you'll need out in the field if you do get an issue, a pin falls out, or you want to change these here. You need your tools right there handy instead of coming back to the house. So this is just, while it's convenient and a nice feature, it's just not strong enough and sturdy enough. And like, my worry was over time was the clips on this thing are not that tough. So I just went to Ace yesterday and I bought this from Ace Hardware, just a simple toolbox. It's the same size as the toolbox that came on the Kubota, but it's a lot more sturdy. It's got a better latch and stuff like that. So I'm going to install that on the tractor and I'll show you guys how that looks after we're done. Okay, so there we have the finished product that's on there. It's a lot more sturdy. I'm happy with that. And yeah, it's better than the little one that they had on originally. So we've just installed the canopy for obvious reasons. It's bloody hot here in Arizona. So Malcolm's taking for a test drive to see the vibration and stuff on the canopy. So putting the canopy on, it's pretty disconcerting when you first drive it, because I'm used to driving it without it. So it felt like I was a bit squashed in, but man, it's nice to be in the shade. It's really doing a nice job. My body's in the shade and my back's in the sun a bit because the sun's behind me, but it's really nice. I'm at 20 hours almost on the tractor and I have to grease the loader. They say grease it every 10 hours. In the manual it says there's 6 grease points. So 1, 2, 3, there's a third, 4, 5, and then why I've lifted the loader, because there's another one up here, 6. So that's the 6th one there. What I have found though is, because this got the quick connect, there's another one here as well. So I do this one also, and that makes it a total of 7 for me to grease on one side of the loader. And then I just lift the loader, because this one has always been the hardest one for the last time I did it, I couldn't find this one. And then the other thing I do is, because I lift the loader to have access to that one fitting that I can't reach, I engage this lock here for the loader. So the loader can't drop on me if it loses hydraulic pressure or anything, because the tractor's off. So the loader's locked up in place, it's locked up there. So that's just for safety reasons. Just because I'm in Arizona and it's really dusty, I like to clean the Zerk fittings off before I put my grease gun on them. So I wipe the Zerks clean. Like you can see how dirty that one is up there. I've cleaned that one down there already. So that's ready to go, that one's ready to go, and I can grease them. And so there I'm at 19.7 hours. So it's nearly 10 hours. I'm 0.3 away from the 20 hours. So I'm just going to do all my grease points on my loader. So the grease nipple that I really struggle to find, the Zerk fitting, is under here. And it's not too bad on this side, because you see how that pipe bends away from it. But if you come on this side here, man, it's a tough one to get to. So you have to push this pipe across slightly, but you got to be careful with that pipe. It's a hydraulic pipe. So this is the one I really struggled to get to. I make a mess then. I hate the greasy mess. So yeah. Anyways, I'll get to you guys later. Oh, And then that's my grease gun that I use, a lube shuttle. I got the idea from all the tractor videos I watch on YouTube. So all you guys out there that make your videos, thank you so much for that. That was really good advice. It's a really nifty little grease gun. And then I also got that quick connect fitting on the end of it. It just makes it so much easier just to push that lever, connect it and disconnect it. No mess, no fuss. Thanks for watching. Let's put this Kubota and all its mods and upgrades to work.